Hello friends, my name is Shivam Yadav and welcome to my channel iTech Warrior. Today we understand the concept of hash table in C#, and we also cover methods and properties of hash table. And friends, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So let's start. So hash table. First point is hash table store data in key value format. Second point is it is non-generic collections in namespace system.collections. Third point is in hash table key are not predefined. It means you can explicitly define user defined key in hash table. Fourth point is the hash table class represent a collection of a key and value pair that are organized based on the hash code of the key. Fifth point is it uses the key to access the elements in the collection. Here is the important note. Hash code is an integer number. Hash tables are used hashing algorithm to generate hash codes. Hash tables are faster than array and array list. Here is the some important methods in hash table. 7 methods in hash table. First method is add. Add an items with a key and value into the hash table. Second method is remove method. Remove the item with the specified key from the hash table. Clear method. Remove all the items from the hash table. Fourth method is contains method. Check whether the hash table contains a specific key. Fifth method is contains key. Check whether the hash table contains a specific key. Fourth and fifth method same. Sixth method is contains value. Check whether the hash table contains a specific value. Seventh method is get hash code. Get hash code returns the hash code for the specific key. So these are the 7 methods inside hash table. And these are the properties of hash table. 3 properties. First property is count. Get the total count of key value pairs in the hash table. Second property is keys. Get the keys in the hash table. Third property is values. Get the values in the hash table. So these are the properties and these are the methods inside hash table. So we all the methods and properties understand practically in Visual Studio. So let's flip to Visual Studio. So now we inside Visual Studio 2019. Here I already create a class hash table inside the namespace hash/table. So inside the name hash table class, let's create the main method. And inside the main method create a hash table class and st equal to new hash table. And now we add the items in hash table. st dot add. By the add method we add the values inside the hash table. So you can see here inside the add method object key comma object value means object means whatever type of value inside here except all the values. So here define the key. Let's store the employee record, employee ID and comma 1 2 3. Let's copy and add more attributes here. Name, ABC and salary and location. And location is Delhi. So now we create a class hash table and add the 4 attribute inside the hash table, and now we print all the values by for each loop. Object key in ht dot keys. ht dot keys means all the keys inside here, and cw tab and here key and ht and key, and console dot read line, save, and F5. So now the output is as we expected: name equal name, location, ID, and salary, but the order is change. Name, location, ID, and salary because of hash code. Hash table internally hash table is based on hashing. Because of hashing, hash code is randomly generated. That's why the order is changed. And let's see the more methods. Add method, remove method. By remove method, we remove the item from hash table. ht dot remove. So by remove method, we remove the item from the hash table. Object key, here we pass the key name, and let's remove location, salary, save, and F5. Okay, let's one more thing here. And save and F5. Okay, now we see the output. The salary is not present after remove. So name, location, and employee ID, but salary is not, salary item is not see here because remove method remove the salary item. And next method is clear. So now we copy, paste, and use clear. Means clear method, all the values inside present inside the hash table, all the values removed from the hash table. And save and F5. Sorry. So you can see first output, second output, and the third output. Here nothing item is seen here, because clear method is remove all the value present inside the hash table. And next method is contains method. Let's see. Comment this code and ht cw tab and inside ht dot contains, and here we give the name and employee id. Save and run. So the output is first output, second output, and here you can see the true. True means the value we find by the contains method is present in the hash table, it returns true. If this is not present, here we give value salary and F5. So the output is false, because salary item is removed before find this. Salary item is removed. So this is the contains method. And contains key method work like as same as contains. Copy, paste, contains key. Copy, paste, save, F5. So the output is false, and false means salary item is not present in the hash table. So contain and contains key is same. And next method is contains value. Value, paste, and here we copy, paste. One means contains value. Here we find by the value. So let's find the id 1 2 3. Save, F5. So the output is true, because the id value 1 2 3 is present in the hash table. Next method is get hash code. Copy, paste. Here get hash code. Save and F5. So the hash code is shown here. Hash code is created by hashing algorithm. Hash table internally based on hashing. So hash algorithm create the hash code randomly. So hash code method gets the hash code. So the three things present in the hash table: the hash code and the key and the value. So these are the all methods present in the hash table. And these are the properties. Let's see the properties. Count property, count, paste, and here count, save, and F5. So the count property is give the items present in the hash table. So 3 items present in the table after removing salary. So 3 is shown here. 3 is shown here. And the next property is keys and values. Keys and values we already use here. This is the keys. So this is the key properties, and let's see the value property. Here we give the values and print and save and F5. So the output is here you can see the values. Here you can see the values, and these are the properties, and these are the methods inside the hash table. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and share with friends and give like and comments. Thank you for watching.